If you're considering a move within Broomfield, Colorado, or selling a home in Broomfield, Colorado, this is the video for you. Today, we're gonna be looking at this property right here in the Broadlands, which is kind of the northern-ish side of Broomfield, Colorado. I love the Broadlands communities. It's right next to a golf course that runs right through it. You're gonna be able to see it when I get to a drone shots. It's got a pool right behind it, and it's got two things that actually, honestly, after seeing them, I haven't seen in a lot of homes, and I think I'm gonna try to figure out how to do both of these things at my house. I cannot wait to show you. One's in the basement, and one is right there on the way to the outside. Anyhow, my name is Nick Ahrens with the North Denver Report. I've helped over 350 families successfully move, enjoy the move of buying and selling property, and be confident in their decisions along the way with what they buy and why they buy it, but the lifestyle they're trying to experience today and in the future. Anyhow, in this video, we're gonna do a top to bottom, inside, outside look at the property. I'm gonna go through the community as well as we're walking through. And again, if this property's not for you, totally fine. Give me a thumbs up on this one. Go back to my channel, and I've got a ton more inventory, neighborhood communities, neighborhood guides, all kinds of stuff, and a link down below you can grab a community guide on as well. Anyhow, let's jump right into it. So check this out. I love the Broadlands community. Broomfield is one of my favorite areas. Broadlands is one of my favorite areas. Here, Aspen Creek, Anthem Islands, and the baseline communities are going to be my top picks everywhere. Anyhow, check this out. We've got basketball hoops here. We've got the community pool right across the street. We've got enough distance to the pool in this home, so you're not going to hear it. And just behind it, we've got the golf course. This is a ranch style, which is hard to find. Ranch styles typically sell here in Broomfield for a little bit more money, a little bit higher price per square foot than a lot of other homes do. Yeah, let's take a look inside. Seriously, I cannot wait to show you the kitchen here. So the moment we step inside, we're just greeted by a ton of light coming through those back windows. We've got a nice office space here. A lot of people in this specific floor plan will use this as a bedroom. They'll put a wall here and have access from the hallway there only. This one, angle up a little bit. So you can see back out the front there. It's just a really nice area. Again, hey, you made it this far, you owe me a thumbs up, or you owe me a heart on this video. I'm just gonna go ahead and thank you in advance for that. Appreciate you, thumbs up, helps my page a ton. But here, check this out. So it's kind of windy, kind of a maze. So remember that full bathroom right there, because we're gonna come back to that in just a minute. So again, as you walk in the front door, I wanna give you this perspective. You go that way, it gets too much like a maze. So we've got living space. We've got, first off, if we take it right, not through there, but through the actual hallway, we've got a half bathroom. So here, let me pull back again, because again, this floor plan, it feels a little bit like a maze first time walking through it. Then we've got the full bathroom is behind this wall. That office space is gonna be here. There's that office, bedroom, and full bathroom is gonna be here. I'm gonna pull back. We're gonna go check out one of those things that I'm actually seriously considering doing to my home after seeing this in a couple of properties now. I love ranch style homes, especially ones that kind of have this L-shaped openness, because the living space feels just a little detached from the kitchen instead of one huge box. But right there is what I want to show you in just a minute here. Look at this kitchen. This kitchen is awesome. It's done so well. We're gonna hook it right. I'm gonna come back to all that in just a minute here. But there, right there is what I wanted to show you. So what they did is pretty cool. They took their patio here. Let's see. Both doors slide open. This is the door that locks. Other is fake lock. Got it. Now it's locked. Now it's unlocked. And they enclose it with a screen. So you can hang out here all summertime and not have to worry about any bugs whatsoever. We don't get a whole lot of bugs here in Colorado. We do have a couple of mosquitoes. They really like my ankles. I don't know why, but we don't get too many bugs. However, it is kind of a nice thing to have because it keeps it bright, keeps it airy. And then you can see the golf course right behind me. It looks like there's a golf tournament actually going on. Let's go check that out. Yeah, Broadlands is an awesome community. It's right next to Coyote Ridge Elementary School, which is a great school. What are they doing over there?
What do you think? See how good a golfers they are. Let's judge them by that guy looks like about a 12 handicap. He's walking with some confidence. What do you think? What handicap do you think that guy is? Anyways, I'm gonna zoom back out. Let's take a look back at this home again. So we got putting green there, one of the end of one of the holes. But let's take a look at what they did to the outside here. So what do you guys think of the trellis with the ivy and the vines growing on it? You guys like it? Do you not? Maybe comment, let me know. Also, guess the price on this home. I'm curious to know, have you guys guess the price and see if you get it right. Tomatoes, man, I've tried to grow tomatoes so many times and I get like 2 or 3 and then they just die on me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I've tried tomatoes a bunch and it just doesn't work for me. Anyhow, let's keep rocking and rolling. So we're gonna come back through and check out that primary bedroom now. So as we come through our screen here, let me grab that. What's up, everybody? I paused and backed up because there was a car that just came by. Go back and watch this because a lot of times in communities when you have it, even though that's a main road coming through the community here, I'm serious, go back. That was a UPS truck. Granted, I am quite a loud talker. That's why I try to pause so you guys can get an idea of what it actually sounds like living on one of the main roads in a community like Broadlands and like Anthem, then you can hear that UPS truck go by. Because a lot of times it's not as bad as you'd think. Here we go, I'm gonna lock the real lock as per the signage there. There we go. Yeah, look at this kitchen. I love how this whole thing is open here with just a ton of natural light that comes through. A lot of homes in the Broadlands have these bigger windows. This one's got speakers in the ceiling. We have a whole dance party here. Anyways, when we go to this side of the room, we've got a whole primary suite back here with the big ceilings, a couple of very carefully placed trees to create a lot of privacy so you can barely see outside where that sidewalk is. There they are, golfing away. Yeah, here, check this out though. This bathroom is awesome. This is something I'm considering doing that's over here and then down in the basement as well. Hey, go down below. I've got a link down below. It's a whole buyer's guide, a whole relocation guide to the area here. Go click that, take a look at it. It's free. It's gonna give you a lot of tips, a lot of ideas of different communities, and everything else that's in the area here. All my favorite stuff. So, here. Look at this. Look how organized all that is. It just looks really, really nice. Anyhow, we're gonna take a right. Look at this. I love the way they redid this bathroom. It looks great. The darker wood really goes well with the color of the tiles. There's just a little bit of the hue that pulls the two together there. Also, one thing to note as well, if you're ever gonna redo something like a kitchen or a bathroom, try to get the exact same cabinets here as you have in the kitchen to hold the entire home together. Not just the same shaker style or same handles, but also the exact same color and manufacturer of the cabinets. Because look, it just pulls it in together. It's amazing. I love it. It's one of my favorite ranch style homes I've seen in a long time. Single level living, ton of bedrooms, ton of bathrooms, amazing community. Anyhow, ready to take a look at the basement? Because I want to show you that other thing that, so a buddy of mine out in Dallas actually built one at his house. Another friend of mine, a realtor over in San Diego, California, built one as well. I'm honestly thinking of building one. I don't know if I'm going to tell my better half. Maybe I'll just have it show up at my doorstep and go from there. Again, just like I always say, in the Anthem Highlands community, in most of the newer developments within Broomfield, Broadlands here as well, you've got these wide open, giant basements that you can just do so much with. So here it is, sauna. I want a sauna. I'm jealous of you sauna folks.
I want a sauna, and I want to get a Peloton again. I had a Peloton. I loved Peloton. I am interested in bow hunting. Have never bow hunted though. Yeah, I want to get a sauna. I want to build a sauna. I think it'd be fun. I think I would use it actually quite a lot. And there's just so many health benefits that can come from sauna. And that's just not listening to Joe Rogan. That's listening to all kinds of people who know health stuff way better than I do. But I want to show you this as well as you come up, that feel of a home, because it's important to kind of have that feeling of a home that you want when you're walking from different rooms into other main rooms. An experience that you're going to be having all the time. Coming from the basement, up, and in, and here. Again, it's the exact same reason that I start outside, and I want to get you the perspective of the entire community as well. All right, so this house in the Broadlands community, I love it. It's amazing. And especially being this close to the pool, to the park across the way, to the golf course right there. I don't know, maybe go pick up a couple of range balls and just go practice some driving. I didn't say that, and I would never, ever suggest doing that. Or, go practice your putting when you're not supposed to. Definitely don't ever consider doing that. Anyhow, my name is Nick Ahrens. If this home's not for you or you have any questions, reach out. I get people reaching out to me all the time from my YouTube channel. Text me, call me, email me, questions. Whether you're moving, you're buying, you're selling, or you just want to know, honestly, like my favorite pizza shop down the street, my favorite sushi place, which is Bamboo. Oh, I love it. If you ever get a chance to go Bamboo and you were a sushi fan, go there. It's in Lowhide, which is just kind of north of downtown Denver. It's one of my favorite spots, especially for date night, or you just want to go and grab a quick sushi bite. Anyhow, my name is Nick Ahrens. Reach out. I look forward to hearing from you.